Hello there, welcome back to another video. In today's video, my friend bought this clapped 1993 Ford F-150, and today we're gonna clean it out basically, and I'll show you a few quirky features that it's got on it, and yeah, let's just get straight into it. So among many things, this is a very goofy feature. It's actually got two working gas caps. I have no idea why that is, but it's also very interesting and strange. As we go towards the interior side of things, we see it's very clapped. Open the glove box here, and something that's really interesting. We've got the original manual from when it was originally bought. Has the warranty, authentication card, and this manual, owner's guide and manual. So that's pretty interesting. Don't remember where they picked this thing up, but it was somewhere near, I don't know. I actually don't remember where they picked it up. Pretty interesting though. For the radio, it's just a little Alpine that they probably swapped into there. I don't remember or not if it has AC, but it's definitely got something. So yeah, let's just get straight into the whole entire process of trying to fix this. So yeah.
Might just pour it out. Interior's not bad, just a little dirty.
Yeah. Are you gonna Baja it or are you gonna lower it?
Lower.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking. Cause it's not It's not a long bed, or at least I don't think. It just looks like a regular bed, but it wouldn't look too bad, I don't think. Or you could go through the route of cutting up this bed, but the wheel base is probably too long. Okay.
Yeah, it is. It is next level. It's a little fun though.
So would this can be considered a cold start?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here's cold start, F150 XLT 1993. You gotta have your foot on the brake. We're gonna check quick here and see if the speakers work. This is gonna be very interesting. I am almost 100% certain they are blown.
Yeah, probably.
You don't have to turn it all the way on. You can just turn the key.
No way! No way!
They're good! No way! And there you have it. That was what, 8 minutes solid of us cleaning it out. A little bit of goofing off, but pretty much 8 minutes solid. I had to really consolidate these clips because they were very long. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. And like always, I'll see you guys in the next one.